Guys, today we're going to play trains. So guys, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.
Why is it hard? Why is not working?
Move! I'm going to crash into Bing bap boop beep bap boop beep bap boop beep bap boop beep beep bap boop bap beep bap boop bap beep bap. Oi!
I need to restart a private server because I don't know. I need to restart my private server. Bro, did you even not? I need a private server. How? I don't know. Bro, I can't even just work.
I have to be careful in this part.
I will beat her so much, guys. No. I need to just skip my videos, I guess. Can't even do that again. So,
Hope that train fell. Okay, which way do I? Okay, what does?
okay, guys, I'm at 10. Stage 10 na. Because I don't really know. Because my voice is, really bad, I guess. So, otherwise, I'm going to choose whatever I want. Okay? So, guys, I'm going to choose what is ready. Oh my god. What? Please. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I think I am slow, guys. I can't even beat it so much. So, it will take 10 minutes or 9 minutes.
Okay, well,
It will take a minute, I guess. Okay. So, otherwise, going to speed run this, guys. No. No, I don't know. Too bad, I guess. Too bad.
go
Because I'm
back.
slow. I need to just use that. Because I need robots. What? I need something else. I don't know.
Where do I go?
Come on. Come on, guys. Okay. So I'm slow like this. Okay. So they gave me very slow, guys. So this is the slow motion, I think.
Yeah, there's no place that I can go.
So I can just stop.
Maybe in another. Okay, that.
Maybe it's just a deep voice, I guess. Maybe just a deep voice.
Get out of my way.
Okay. Yeah, 21.
It's all your fault. I hope you fall.
So, anyways, guys, I'm going to just beat this game, guys. So, this here, I don't know what show is. Let's keep playing it. Come on. Where's the gameplay? Okay.
Where's that guy?
Okay, next,
I
we need
make
to speed
min
this.
fall
For this one.
cause I
Yeah.
get out of my way. Get out of
Okay.
my way.
Okay.
You mother.
Okay, so anyways, guys.
Wait for
Okay.
me.
I need to just keep walking.
Okay.
Okay, another
Why
day.
is people so dumb these days?
What? What?
Just doing it.
Okay. So then. Okay.
Don't you dare
Also,
get
it'll
out of
take,
the way.
10 minutes, I think, guys. It'll take 10 minutes. Or 9 minutes, I think. Okay, so otherwise,
Ano?
28.
Banana
Especially for the
sugar.
guys. Okay, so otherwise, go to this. Spray on this. Or spam with the spray on this because it's watermelon. So I'm gonna eat watermelon thing is, but I don't wanna eat
If I
the
fall
seed,
again,
but
this
I
video
need
ends.
to see the